Alright, so what we have here now is a quick test of the high voltage. I went ahead and took out some of these tubes here because they don't do anything. I'm just checking out see if I can get any high voltage out of the system. Temporarily hooked up a yoke out of some old black and white TV, hooking it up to the leads as spelled out in the schematic, and I'm just going to use my meter and see if I can get on this lead right here. Right, and get a reading here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in and then see how quickly I can all do this with one hand. So if I see smoke, I'll just stop the camera and you'll never see this. Alright, ready, set, power on. And we're going to, yep, tubes are lighting up, and we're going to get on this high voltage lead. And let's see what happens. Come on. There we go. And we have high voltage. This is a good sign. It might be a little bit low because of the yoke I'm using or not having the horizontal tuned properly, but that's good enough for now. That's almost 15,000. So it looks like we're good to go. Unplug. We're doing real damage. You have to have the yoke hooked up. If you don't have the yoke hooked up, the inductance of the flyback's all whacked and it won't work right. Anyway, so there you have it. That's a good sign. That means I've got a good flyback now. Power supply is good. Outside of those two items, there's pretty much, you can pretty much get these things working. So I'll probably be moving on to the recap stage next. I'm still trying to figure out how to note all these wiring connections. These wires are color coded, but the colors are so faded, and it's not that hard plastic stuff. It's this nice cloth colored stuff. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do here yet. I guess I can take some really high res pictures and just unwrap these and bend them out of the way. Again, I've never done that before, so I'm probably going to end up being overly cautious, and I'll get some little tags and pull this off and make a note that this is the vertical sink. These two go to the vertical hold. Well, so you got to be careful. Vertical lin. I don't know. This could get kind of dicey. I know Bob Anderson's done this several times. He just takes pictures and goes for it, but I'm still a little bit nervous about all this process. But good thing the high voltage works. So that's about 90% of the problems that would be showing up is if that flyback was bad, and it seems good. So more to come later.